Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Gemini Live with camera in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and I want to use Google Gemini Live with camera, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your Play Store, go for search and search for Gemini. Just search for this and here you just have to install this app. If you have installed or have any update, you can easily update that app, and after that just wait for installation and then just open the app, and here just select Google Gemini Live, and here just select this camera icon, and now just put anything in front of your camera and you can ask about that, just talk to ask. So that's how you can easily use Google Gemini Live with camera in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.